Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a HomeMate brand electric blanket and it's giving you like an E or an F error on the controller, or it's blinking and it's not heating properly, and you're wondering what's going on and how to fix it. So the number one thing that goes wrong with these electric blankets that causes them to throw up to these errors or to not work properly is some kind of electrical connection problem. So the controller to work only needs a certain amount of electricity, but to actually heat, it needs quite a bit more electricity. So you just want to make sure all of your connections are working right. So to do that, what you want to do is just go ahead and turn your blanket off and then unplug it from the wall. And once you've done that, you can check all the connections going in and out of the controller and in and out of the blanket, and make sure everything is snug, nothing is frayed or loose or disconnected. And then once you've done that, go ahead and plug your blanket in, but don't plug it into an extension cord or a power strip. Plug it directly into the wall and make sure it's nice and snugly plugged in. And if the error goes away then, and you were using an extension cord or a power strip before, don't use that extension cord or power strip anymore, because it's probably not heavy duty enough for the electricity needs of the blanket. And you have to use it plugged directly into the wall, or get a heavier duty extension cord or power strip. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.